Mila's painting. Wow. And the black too? Black? Black? Oh, pretty. Wow. Black. Bravo. Blue. Yeah. No, it's okay. Like this. Ooh.
Green.
And you put it here on the paper. On the paper. Wow.
And blue and green get yellow. Normally.
No. Blue and yellow get green.
Oh.
Wow, it's pretty. More? Like this, look. You draai. And when you're finished, you like this, look. Yellow. Yellow. Red. Red. Wow, look at little Picasso. Wow.
Now, if you put it in a lijstje, dat is best wel mooi.
Yeah.
I see modern painters doing worse. Yeah.
Wow, Mila painting. Is Mila painting? Painting. And the black? The black color?
Yeah. Or the red? Or the yellow? Red.
Red. Oh, yeah. So much. Look. Paint. That's paint, Mila. On the paper.
You want the black?
Yeah, but first you have to put all the color. Put the color here. Here too. Yeah, it's a red. Look. You can't see it, but it's like this. Look. It doesn't have red.
Ja, maybe je moet er een beetje een bakje met water misschien in, dat ze leert het kwastje zwart te maken.
Oh yeah. Okay. That's a good idea. Julie had a very good idea to clean the brush, huh, Mila? We put water in the thing. Look.
What's up, Papa? It's a brush.
This to clean when you put the color. Look.
Look.
Clean. Look, Mila. Look.
Clean.
Clean the brush. And then we get yellow. Look. Oh, that's better. Now we can see the color. Oh, you can do it with your fingers. It's even better. Yeah. With Mila's hands. With Mila's hands. You gotta go like this. Look. Bravo. Yeah.
Clean the brush.